Developed with Levitation technology, the speaker is floating and spinning in the air. The speaker can continuously play music up to 10 hours. The floating speaker can impress your friends and family as a cool tech decor for room, office. Enjoy your crystal clear music with Bluetooth 5.1 technology. To the favorite of Star Wars fans, you can give this magical gift, and they would be very happy with it, which is also the original intention of our design of this product. Decorated in offices, bedrooms, children's rooms, science demonstration venues, shops, coffee shops, and other places, it can provide perfect visual effects for men, women, children, and Star Wars movie fans. In addition, the Bluetooth speaker orb has a 1500 mAh large-capacity lithium-ion rechargeable battery, using Type-C charging interface, and 5W high-quality speaker, providing over 10 hours of high-quality music experience of playback when fully charged. With gesture controller and remote controller. The remote control adopts 2.4 GHz transmission technology, which is sensitive to control and ultra-long distance control. Put the watch on your hand, change your gestures, and the deformable cart can sense your posture changes, drive and change at will. With 4WD powerful motor, our RC Stunt car can freely switch between speed mode and off-road mode, with automatic demonstration, all-around movement, sideways drift, 360 degrees double-sided rotation, climb hills in 45 degrees increments, snake twist and side slip movement, etc., giving boys and girls an unprecedented operating experience and infinite fun. Shiny eyes add more fun to the car's deformation. Equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing long-lasting fun for the hand-controlled RC car. Stay away from screen and play the car toys with colorful lights and music and cool stunts. Give children a better playing experience. Our gesture RC car has shocking lighting effects and music, bring wonderful operation experience and visual effects, cool functions, and unlimited fun to kids. And the car made of durable ABS plastic and high-quality materials, durable to hit the road. The bionic joint is designed to conquer gravel, lawn, beach, and other terrains. It can easily overcome various obstacles. New upgraded appearance of the simulated whale shark toy, the unique splashing ink pattern look good enough to catch your eye, brings unlimited imagination to kids. Come and interact with the whale shark game. Unlike other remote control toys, this will be the most special pool toys. Kids might put the remote in water, and this time they'll get a waterproof remote. It's so boring to watch on shore, they can take the remote to the pool and play with our shark whale toy without worrying about the remote getting wet. The 2.4 GHz remote can be easily controlled within a range of 130 feet. The remote is powered by 2 AAA batteries, not included. The best gift for kids. This super cool remote control whale shark toy can go forward/backward or turn left/right, high and low speed free control in swimming pools, bathtubs and lakes, with free control of high and low speed. It also has water spray and light functions, which adds a lot of fun to summer travel. When you play with remote control whales at night, you don't have to worry about finding your toy. Built-in 2 rechargeable 3.7V 500 mAh lithium batteries with a USB charging cable. With a fully charged battery, your kid can enjoy about 25 minutes of happy RC play time, 50 minutes required. There are 2 batteries that can be used alternately for longer playing time. Note, whales can only be activated in water. Imagination is what playing is all about, and using an RC whale toy such as this opens up an entire universe of submerged or in-air possibilities based on the type of whale you become. You may either have your whale float around pretending to consume the imaginary fish with all the flying types. You could pursue your sibling around. Designed for learning electronics and programming in a simple and fun way. KEYESTUDIO coding toy contains instructions to make 15 projects to learn about the basics of different modules like buttons, LEDs, sensors, etc., and learn how smart home works. In this kit, you can build a model smart house with laser cut wood boards, a lot sensors and actuators, and the plus control board. Through DIY assembly and learning, you can get a good understanding of the working principle of smart home. The smart home includes the functions of lights and people photocell sensor / human infrared sensor / LED module / soil dry reminder soil humidity sensor / gas leak alert / steam sensor / BT remote app control, etc. Turn the idea into a practical application. Great for anyone that's into learning Arduino, electronic, home automation and coding. Christmas, Hanukkah, Easter, gift for aspiring engineers and kids. You need to prepare a computer to upload code to it and 6 AA batteries to power it. Then it will run automatically, or you can control it with your Android or iOS mobile phone. Please search for KEYESTUDIO KS0085 in Google Chrome. You will get a complete and detailed English user manual.
Okay, so here is a mini karaoke machine. This is small, but this does get loud. So just because it's small does not mean it's quiet. It puts out really good sound. So you can connect these to each other by just turning them both on. And you can also use this separately as a Bluetooth speaker. And you can also connect your phone to the Bluetooth speaker and do actual karaoke and just read the words off of your phone. This has been so fun for my kids. They have loved this. So if you have a child or looking for a gift for someone who likes to sing, this is so fun. It's just really small. The colors are really cute. It's like a gold and a cream. But I'll show you how it works. And it also comes with charging cables, and this is where you're gonna charge your Bluetooth speaker and then the microphone right here on the bottom. And it does come with the charging cables for both. Hello, hello, hello. You can also adjust the volume right here. So there's volume on the microphone, and then there's volume on the Bluetooth speaker as well. It also has funny sounds.
The Merge Cube is the only product that lets you hold digital 3D objects, holograms, enabling an entirely new and powerful way to learn science and STEM. Over 100 interactive science simulations that will let students learn effectively, they can touch, hold, and interact with. Provides the equivalent of $10,000 worth of teaching aids for students to learn effectively, anytime and anywhere. Can upload, view, and share user-created 3D creations on the Merge Cube that lets students to discover problems quicker and iterate faster so they can create better designs. With deeply research about Microscope on market, we find out once combine Microscope with CPL lens so we will get more clear pictures. Our portable phone microscope with CPL lens can eliminate unwanted glare and ghosting, which easily gets compounded at long exposures, enable colors to become more saturated and appear clearer with better contrast under high power zoom. With the portable mini size, weight 17.5 G, USB rechargeable battery design, more than 2 hours of effective usage time when full charged, easy to put this mini microscope in your pocket and carry it wherever you go. Allows you to take it on your vacation for children to study plants, minerals, insects, and anything they are interested in. Our phone microscope with universal clip design can be easily clipped on your phone. You need to zoom in your phone camera to get full screen image. Once cooperate with your mobile phone magnification function to achieve 200 times magnification. Simply clip this cell phone microscope on your phone. You can record every micro moment and share with your friends. Different from other digital microscope, our microscope for phone does not need any app to work with. Once clip it on your phone, a whole new micro world will be opened up in a minute. This pocket microscope is a wonderful gift for children and students. It deepens parent-child relationship, brings endless joy to children's childhood, stimulates children's curiosity about nature. Also, it's a great gift idea for any gardener, watch/jewelry/coin enthusiast, or just a fun thing to have in pretty much any setting. Smart Rope Rookie syncs to your smartphone and automatically records your exercise data, jump counts, calories, duration, and goal achievement. Lighter and simpler, Smart Rope Rookie is available in various colors. Smart Rope uses permanent non-contact sensors to continuously track the exact position of the rope. This enables accurate movement tracking, compared to the conventional switch method or the Euro sensor method. The use of ball bearings on each handle effectively reduces friction, resulting in very smooth and stable rope rotation. It also reduces the strain on the wrist with the proper rope angle. The Smart Rope Rookie rope is completely and easily adjustable and will fit almost everyone. The rope itself is light, durable, and smooth, making sure you can jump fast with ease. This mini drone dinosaur toy comes with a simulated look and unique pterodactyl shape, perfect for children over 8 years old to play with. Mini portable drones for kids can bring endless fun for parties, school, fishing, hiking, long trips, and more. All kids love it. This mini pterodactyl drone toy can hover automatically by the altitude hold system. At the same time, the drone can start/stop with one button. This design helps to take off and land easily. And there are 3 speed modes from low to high. In the headless mode, the direction is always relative to the direction the pilot is facing, suitable for different levels of players, providing worry-free flight for kids, beginners, novices, etc. For a better experience for kids, we paired this RC plane with rechargeable battery, allowing the flight time to be extended to 14 minutes. Modular batteries are easier for kids to replace and safer to charge. It's easy to carry around. This pterodactyl drone toy develops and exercises kids' reflexes and hand-eye coordination. Drones are a little challenging but not difficult and very fun toys that are perfect for getting today's kids away from their phones and tablets. The pterodactyl dinosaur drone is a quality toy for boys and girls. If you are looking for a fun and novelty gift for your child, then this pterodactyl dinosaur drone is the perfect choice. It is an ideal gift for Halloween, Christmas, Christmas presents, Easter, or even homeschool. The PiCrawler is an AI robot kit compatible with Raspberry Pi 4B, 3B, 3B+. Batteries and Raspberry Pi needed but not included. Suitable for adults and teens, the PiCrawler is the perfect platform for learning about robotics programming, OpenCV, TensorFlow, and deep learning. This Raspberry Pi robot allows you to program different actions, included 13 examples for your reference, including push-up, twist and wave, etc. The actions can also be customized according to your needs. The robotics kit includes a camera, an ultrasonic module, and enables obstacle avoidance, object following, visual recognition, facial, QR codes, color recognition, voice output, TTS/sound effects/background music, and it can take pictures. PiCrawler supports both Python and SunFounder SBlock. With SBlock, beginners can easily master robotics programming through an intuitive GUI and can control the robot remotely via a web interface. We offer professional, high-quality online courses that support reading, editing, programming, and downloading all of the provided code, and all of the content is updated constantly. The astronomical telescope features 400mm f/5.7 focal length and large 70mm aperture, fully multi-coated optical glass with high transmission, creating stunning images with increased brightness and clarity. The refractor telescope includes 2 1.25-inch telescope eyepieces, K20mm and K9mm, for 20x and 44x magnification. The 5x24 finder scope makes locating objects easily, and diagonal prism ensures you get a erect image, ideal for both celestial and terrestrial viewing. This travel scope is quick and easy to set up. Comes with a phone adapter with 10mm eyepiece for you to capture the amazing images and share with your family. The lightweight telescope with adjustable tripod can be packed up in the custom backpack. Grab it and go anywhere. Reliable and friendly customer service in 24 hours. We offer lifetime warranty. Please feel free to contact us if any problem with the quality of the telescope, and we will make an instant refund or replacement for you to make sure you are satisfied. The telescope is a perfect Christmas or birthday gift for kids or beginner astronomers. It helps them build interest in astronomy and science, exploring the unknown, enjoy the nature and away from screen. The kids' astronomical journey starts from here. As the original and patent-pending invention, the TOSY disc is 100x brighter than any other light-up flying disc. It looks super cool, especially when you throw it outdoors at night. Easily select the brightness level and timer mode you want. LED light turns on and off automatically for battery saving. 30-minute charge that lasts up to 1,000 throws, at B1 and T0 modes, or a full ultimate match of 90 minutes. Package includes 1x USB Type-C to C cable, charger not included. The disc meets the professional ultimate standards for long, straight, precise flights and highly comfortable grip. It is great for freestyle tricks too. Spice up your gift ideas list and favorite disc bottle and tossing games, Beersby, Polish horseshoes or others, with our highly durable, waterproof and premium discs. A 229 Duo Dual Dash Cam innovatively features a Quad HD 2K high-resolution rear cam, with up to 30 frames per second recording to give you enhanced driving safety protection from not just front but also behind. With a 2K high-res rear camera, you can easily capture license plate numbers even if you're caught in an accident that takes place behind you, or provide evidence if another car is harassing you on the road. Built in the same Sony Starvis IMX335 5MP sensors, a 229 Duo dual-channel dashcam for cars supports Quad HD 1440p 30 fps front plus Quad HD 1440p 30 fps rear recording. f1.6 aperture lens and WDR technology are also of great assistance to shoot more detailed images both day and night. A 229 Duo dashcam front and rear dash camera is built with upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection technology, providing transfer speeds up to 8 MB per second, 4 times faster than traditional 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. This makes it quite convenient to control and check on videos on your smartphone and via VIOFO app, including setup menu, live view from front and rear, playback of recorded videos, and downloading/sharing of video files. The GPS logger is built in a 229 Duo 2K dual dash cam to track the route data, speed and time to the video file, allowing compatible viewers to display on playback. Real-time speed would display on car camera screen and cam/H or MP/H. It will also keep the dash camera's clock synchronized with GPS time,